How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot to film an intro. Today is a real quick install. We are going to be installing a Monkey Wrench Racing Underdrive pulley for the alternator, and it should hopefully free up a little bit of power. That's about it. We're just swapping a pulley. It's real easy. It's only about a minute of the video, so enjoy. So as you guys might have just heard in that last clip, the alternator sounded pretty bad turning. It sounded real noisy, and honestly I'm not sure why. Let it run for a while and now it sounds pretty normal. So if I go ahead, start it up, and there we go. The alternator sounds pretty normal now. But there we go, the alternator doesn't sound bad anymore. It sounds perfectly fine. It's also really hot, so this is getting errors. Don't know what happened. I think maybe when I took it out, I loosened something by accident, and now it sort of sorted itself out, but it's all good now. That's not the end of the video. We got a part 2 coming up. It's completely different, but I figured I should probably film more, so enjoy the next bit of this vlog. I just washed this car yesterday, and already we got that. It's all covered in tree sheets. This is just beautiful. How do I own a fleet like this? This is crazy. So we're gonna go help a friend do an oil change, and it should be fun. Ooh, I need gas. Okay, let's see if I can make it there. Yeah, we should be good. I am being extra annoying now with my camera, because I realize that I don't film enough, so I'm going to film literally every f***ing second.
Hello! So here's the fox, guys.
Oh yeah, they haven't seen it.
It's real solid. It's real fucking, oh, yeah, real fucking solid.
I was gonna say, they haven't seen this thing before.
The Eclipse is over there. I have confirmed that the engine has seized.
Oh, rip.
So we can, one day, I want to get a fucking breaker bar to the thing and see if we can get it to unf itself.
Fair enough. So Eli, what the f is this thing?
That may or may not have come underneath of the fucking car. Like it is supposed to shield like the exhaust of the drive shaft from the underbody. But I think someone hit a fucking bump and it decided to go yeet it, and so now it was just dragging. So I pulled it off. That's beautiful. Do we want to use the fun jack, or do we want to use a regular jack?
Oh, we should use the fun jack. Okay. Yeah, we should use the fun jack. Okay. We gotta show them the fun jack.
The fun jack. Okay, don't mind the
very secure truck.
The very secure truck. So there's
pristine, no rust.
There's this hole in the side of the thing, and let's see if this goes down anymore. Am I going the wrong way?
Over here. I want to show them how easy it is to lift this thing up, because you could just.
Oh. Here, you want me to?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, hold it. Just like that, and.
Yeah, I think the suspension's a little.
Yeah, I think it's just a little.
Then you go like this after you shove it in the hole, and then voila.
Beautiful.
I don't know why they couldn't just use regular.
Because it's Mercedes.
Because Mercedes.
Dang, is that an intercooler? 350 horsepower.
Yeah, don't let him lie to you.
Yes.
Actually 0 horsepower because the engine is spots. Oh yeah, getting to spots in this engine is the engine is still hot. So
When did you last drive this thing?
like an hour ago? Less than 45 minutes ago?
Does it fit?
It does not.
Oh, that's the only size I got. I hear noise.
I have no clue. It's probably another leak. You should be honest.
Probably.
You said to take my oil filter off. It's 100. God damn it! Why do they have to do some retarded shit like that? Why can nothing ever work out the way you want it to? This is exactly how I feel right now. This is exactly how I feel.
So Eli, where are we going?
We're going to Valvoline because nothing's ever fucking simple.
Yeah, why are we going to Valvoline, Eli?
Oh, because I might have to go to fucking the Benz dealership just to change a filter.
Listen to how loud this thing is. Oh, he didn't pull it. Dang. That thing's loud though. Yes.
Alright, where'd the
No,
camera?
so you have to say that again because I didn't catch it on camera.
Hey, did you want to make your YouTube channel blow up
Yes.
before you go to college and then never work on it again?
Yes. I'll have to change my content. I'll have to go from car content to sex tapes.
Jesus Christ. He came over to my house and immediately pointed a camera at me.
Oh yeah, I did.
Because I am content.
Oh yeah.
I swear to God.
I am very much content. If you want to happen, hang out with Eli. I want to see what this oil looks like.
Take a look. It's all in the pan now.
Oh.
Is it completely on?
Have a look. Have a
Here,
look.
you do this.
Okay, have a look.
I think there's gonna be. It's still fucking dripping, you retard. How? That's hot. What fucking broke?
Ow. Okay, that is hot, but your oil drain plug isn't on there.
Where is it?
I don't know, probably in there.
Did you drop it in there?
Maybe. This is a slight oopsies moment. Ooh, that's, yeah. And when that tire runs it over, it's gonna be oil all the way out this parking lot. Now we go digging. It's like searching for gold. Found something. There it is. Cool. Oh, that's hot.
You want to let it cool down for a little
Yes.
bit? Oh, I didn't mean.
I think I got that on camera too. It's only been 30 seconds, I bet. I mean, like, I don't know what I'm doing because this is gonna be the same temperature it was just at.
It's still hot.
Yeah, it's still hot. I could just persevere through it. Fuck it.